Hello everyone. Today we'll try to understand how to schedule the online lecture in your Google Classroom. To schedule the online lecture, first open the Google Chrome browser. In the address bar type classroom.google.com and press enter. Sign in to your account using the institutional email address. Click on the classroom in which you wish to schedule the lecture. Now open a new tab by clicking on the plus sign and type calendar.google.com. This is the calendar page that you will see in front of you. Now you can just select one of the class to which you wish to schedule the lecture for, and then click on the create button. In this you can add the title, lecture, and the date on which I wish to schedule it. After typing the title, click on the date. You can schedule the date. For example, if I want to take the lecture on 3rd, the time at which I wish to take the lecture, and the time till which I wish to take the lecture, the start time and the end time. Check for do not repeat. Then click on add Google Meet video conference. By clicking on this, you will find that there is a link that is created here. Click on this tab, then right click on this link and copy the link address. You can save this. Go to your classroom. You can post this link directly into the stream. You can type in your message. Click on add, click on link and paste the link that you had copied from your calendar. Then click add link. In this, at the bottom of your message, you will find a drop down near the post tab. You can either schedule it, you can either save it as a draft and edit the contents later on, or you can post it directly in the classroom. So once you have scheduled your meeting in the Google Calendar, you can see the same schedule in your Google Classroom as well. Just click on the main menu, click on the calendar. Here you will see that you have scheduled a online lecture or meeting for a particular class. Now to start the video lecture, you have to click on the link that you have provided. Obviously, the students will also click on the same video link and will join your online class. You can click on the video link. You have to log in using your institutional email address. To start your meeting, you have to click on join now. The meeting will not start unless and until the teacher joins the meeting. As soon as the student starts logging in, you will see this message. You can click on admin to admit the student. Now here you can see there are two people logged in, including the teacher and the student. If you click on this particular icon, then you will see the list of people that have joined your meeting. Here you also have option to present now, wherein you can share your entire screen. You can share a particular window, or you can share a Chrome tab. You also have option for captions. To record your video, you have to click on this more options and then click on record meeting and click on accept. So as soon as the recording is initiated, you will find this icon which will be shown on your left top corner. So once you have finished with your lecture, you can click on stop recording and then you can leave the meeting. Please note that if the teacher logs out of the meeting, then the students are still inside the meeting and they can still interact with each other. Therefore, we have to inform the students to leave the meeting, or manually we can remove the students individually from the classroom, and then only we can leave the call. Now let's look at how to record attendance and how to mute all the students in a single click during the Google Meet session. For this, you will have to install two extensions to your Google Chrome. In the address bar, search for Meet Attendance. Click on the first option which says Meet Attendance Google Chrome and add the extension to your Google Chrome. Add extension. To see this extension in your Chrome, click on the extension icon and click on the pin extension so that it will be visible in your Chrome. The next extension you will require is Mute All on Meet extension. Mute All on Meet extension. Click on the link and install the Mute All on Meet extension. The icon will be shown in your Google Chrome. Now let's see how to use these two options. Click on the link for Google Meet. Now here you will see that both of these extensions, the attendance as well as mute all extension, both will be turned red. It means that both of the extensions are now active. Click on join now. If there are more students, it will be difficult to individually mute the students. So in such case, you can mute all the students at once by clicking on the mute all users extension. So if you click on it, all the users in your Google Meet will be muted. Now let's look at how to record your attendance using the Meet attendance extension. To record your attendance, go to Show Everyone tab, then click on the icon for the attendance, which is shown here as a check mark inside a square box. Click on the icon. A worksheet will come up. This sheet will show you the date, the time when this attendance was taken, the link to the meeting, and the name of the participants in the meeting. So this attendance sheet is directly saved in your Google Drive. So to see the attendance, you open a new tab, type drive.google.com, and in this drive you will see the meeting attendance which were generated by you. Whatever you have recorded during your meeting will be saved in your Google Drive, and a link of your recorded lecture will be sent to your Gmail account. This is the recorded video lecture, and you can see your recorded lecture, or you can open this location, or you can open the location of this particular file in your Google Drive. To see this file in your Google Drive, open a new tab, click on the Google Apps, click on Drive. Here you can see that the lectures that you have conducted online are recorded and are saved directly into your Google Drive. The attendance is also saved directly into your Google Drive. I hope all of you may have understood how to schedule the online class in your Google Classroom, and also how to conduct the online lectures and collect attendance during the Google Meet.